Hey guys, welcome to TechBase. Today I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to customize notification settings for Facebook Messenger. It's pretty simple, so let's get started. First, open Facebook Messenger on your mobile device. Tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left of your screen. Tap on the settings icon. Scroll down to Preference and tap on Notifications and Sounds. Under Notification Preferences, you can see ringtones and customized notifications. The ringtone notification is related with your video calls and voice calls, while customized notification is related with your chat notifications. Tap on Ringtone. Now you can go ahead and pick a ringtone for yourself. Tap on the arrow at the top left of your screen. Now go ahead and tap on Customize Notifications. Select Sound. Now you can select a new chat notification sound for your messenger. Once you're done, tap on the arrow at the top left of your screen. And that's it. This is how you customize notification settings for Facebook Messenger. Thank you for watching TechBase. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.